Steady but slow work across the state of Oregon to get people vaccinated.
As of today, more than 60,000 people have received that first dose. We've also learned that 595 people have been fully vaccinated, getting both shots of the vaccine. Fox 12's John Hendricks is live for us tonight in studio as the state works to figure out who gets the shot next. John?
Well, guys, today the state's vaccine advisory board met for 2 hours. No recommendations were made just yet on where to go next. At the same time, a new clinic at the state fairgrounds in Salem is working to get those first responders vaccinated in this first phase. A busy morning at the Oregon State Fairgrounds.
I have faith and I believe that it's the right thing to do.
Rayanne McDonald is about to get her first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
I feel like it's my responsibility to be a good example to my staff and to the residents to take the vaccine and help everybody out.
She works at a long-term care home.
No crying.
One of thousands of Oregonians in the first round, phase 1A, to get this vaccine.
It was painless. She did a great job.
Salem Health and Marion County setting up this clinic, so to speak, to get as many people in that first 1A group vaccinated as quickly as possible. Those are your frontline workers, first responders, and those working and living in long-term care.
We've approached 250 shots an hour just within our kind of first attempts at doing this. So we're confident that we can do this on a large scale.
But what comes next? That is what the state vaccine board is trying to figure out.
Yesterday was the deadliest day yet for the COVID outbreak in this country, and it makes the work of this committee more urgent.
They met today virtually, though no recommendations were made. They say that they are focused on making sure the rollout is equitable for all.
It's pretty straightforward. That was good.
Back in Salem, the work will continue, trying to protect as many Oregonians as possible and put an end to this pandemic.
We're going to run this as long as we can. As long as there's supply and staff to do this, we're going to do our best to take care of the community in as large a scale as we possibly can.
Now, when it comes to those in that next group to get the vaccine, we still don't know for certain who will all be included in that. OHA said almost a month ago this is when workers in high-risk and critical industries will be vaccinated. In the CDC's recommendations, they say people aged 75 years and older, people who are grocery store workers, teachers, and child care workers, among others, should be included. The state's vaccine advisory board is set to meet again next Thursday to continue on working on who will be next. Reporting in studio tonight, John Hendricks, Fox 12 Oregon.